What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back to day 4 of the grade. Today we're talking about how to fix your exposure. Now you see we have this clip here. It's overexposed. To fix exposure, you want to focus on your color wheels. This is what we're going to be focused on today, our color wheels. My lift, which is shadows, is at 0.04 and my gain is at 222. You see how the highlights at the top here they're clipped. That's like it won't go any higher. That means your highlights are clipping. So you want to drop your gain down, and now highlights aren't clipping anymore. And then our shadows are still a little high. So we want to drop that down. But now we're underexposed. So to fix that is like our shadows down here. You look at your waveform. Shadows are clipping. So we're gonna bring our shadows up just a tad bit. Just lift them up ever so slightly. That's a good place to stop. You can go a little bit higher if you want. You don't want to lift them too much because then you'll introduce noise. Also, you see we're working in our balance / exposure node. That is very key. And that's how you fix your exposure in post. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for day 5 where we'll talk about white balance.